Smart speakers are a fantastic gadget to keep around your house, and Google's Home Speaker is one of our favorites. From playing your favorite songs to keeping you updated with the latest news, your Google Home can keep you entertained for hours. Of course, if you've ever tried to use YouTube with your Google Home, you know that despite both being Google products, they don't seem to work together. Let's look at how to use YouTube with your Google Home. There are a few ways you can use YouTube with your Google Home. If you have a Nest Hub or Hub Max, you can watch YouTube right on these devices using the built-in screen. For most people, however, you're probably trying to play YouTube videos on your home speaker with the video playing on your phone or tablet. And don't worry, we have a couple ways to make that work. Normally, you use the cast menu to send audio from an app to your Google Home, but YouTube only allows you to cast to a display. Thankfully, your Google Home doubles as a Bluetooth speaker, allowing you to stream audio to the speaker while keeping the video stream on your phone. To set this up, open the Home app on your phone and select your speaker from the dashboard. Tap the Settings icon, then find Paired Bluetooth Devices in this menu. Select Enable Pairing Mode and jump to the Bluetooth settings on your phone. Find the name of your Google Home and pair your devices. With your home speaker set as a Bluetooth audio device, any YouTube video you play on your phone will stream the audio to your Google Home. Of course, there are a couple other options. If you're looking to stream primarily music videos to your speaker, the dedicated YouTube Music app does support audio streams over Chromecast, which means you won't have to pair your device via Bluetooth. Meanwhile, if you have a Chromecast plugged into your television, you can also use your Google Home to issue voice commands to play specific YouTube videos on your television. Just ask to play a specific video title or the name of an uploader to stream right to your television. If you enjoyed this guide, make sure to check out these other videos you might like and subscribe to Tech Junkie for all sorts of tech news, reviews, and top picks every week.